Hey everyone, my name's Kevin, and today we're gonna make some simple breakfast using this Pit Boss Griddle. These things are amazing. My favorite tool on my deck, even though it's not even on my deck, but it's close to it. Okay, you turn this on, run by propane. You hold this in for a few seconds and click it over, it ignites. If it doesn't, repeat. Hold it down, let the gas run for a bit, and you should be good to go. I just lit these two burners, there are 5. I'm just going over here because I'm just cooking for myself because my family doesn't like breakfast. On an already preheated surface. As that heats up, we've got a few things going on here. Hash browns, onions, and some bison from Central Plains bison. We're gonna get the onions on there, along with the potato. These are cool tools. You can clean this thing with it. You can just chop away and cook that down. Here, make this look good. Kinder's Rub brown sugar. Love this stuff. And we're just going to add a touch. And there's some pepper. And I'm gonna go grab some salt because I forgot to bring it out. Give me a sec. All right, so we got our salt. Hit it up. Chop it around. This keeps it from burning onto the surface. And we are just going to spread it out and cook it. And now we are adding, that is ground bison. Cut that in as well. This video is not about the recipe because the recipe is pretty basic. I'm just taking stuff out of my fridge that I had, but it is a great way to use some of these onions, potatoes, and bison that I had because it tastes delicious and simple. This video is more about how awesome this thing is and how you can prepare breakfast for a whole multitude of people, from small family to big gathering. You can get it all going. Now, if you're doing burgers on your smoker, which I highly recommend, fire this thing up as well. Get it toasty, get a brioche bun on there, oil it, butter it, and just toast it up. This is perfect. Now, the reason I added the onions and the potatoes before the bison is they take longer to cook. Okay. The reason why I like griddle so much, and I say it's my favorite even above smokers, because it is so versatile. You can do, it's a flat top, you can do whatever you want on there. You can do burgers on here, you can do breakfast on here, you can toast buns on here, you can do grilled cheese on here, you can do everything on here. Now, it's not in the same camp as the smoking, so I love my smokers. Yes, I actually love them more than this, but versatile tool, this is it. Okay, now I got eggs. I'm gonna take a little more oil. I got some green onions that I just chopped. Just gonna cover them up there, and I'm gonna season my eggs with a little bit of this Kinder's as well. Getting a little windy here. We're gonna get a storm, which is awesome. Now, this is almost done. I'm gonna go get myself a plate. Stick around. All right, this is also from Pit Boss. There is no better tool for this than this. Heavy duty thing, it's amazing. Watch how easy it is to lift my eggs off of this with this. Boom. Same thing here. All right, simple breakfast. Hey, bud.
Hi, Gunnar.
I think he wants some. Again, not about the recipe. Everyone can do this, and I encourage you to try it. But the purpose is to show you how cool this is, to be able to do this outside. Camping, cabin, farm, backyard, town, whatever. This thing's awesome. Simple to use, anyone can do it, and you can find these at Rosenort Co-op here in Manitoba. Check them out at their website, www.rosenortcoop.com. It's beautifully laid out. and they got everything on there, and it's super simple to navigate. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy Sunday. If you're not watching this on Sunday, happy whatever day you're at. Please consider subscribing. Hit that like and get engaged. Let's talk. Let's chat. Breakfast, is it your favorite? It's mine. See ya.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.